Hello, Linda here, and today I'm going to be sharing a little haul unboxing of my Penpaling Paula order. She is basically a creator currently in Ireland, but I think she might be moving. But she creates such pretty washi tapes, sticker sheets, and postcards, just beautiful designs. And I, sort of let myself have my little stationery fix at least like once a month. So I want to order from shops in Europe, and I was so pleased that I was able to order from her. I actually wanted a roll of washi tape that had like traveler's notebooks and things like that, but it was out of stock. So I just made an order for other items, and will definitely be going back to order what I had originally wanted. But during sort of the October season, I got like these October freebies, and they're very pretty stickers, high quality, beautiful illustrations. And you get a little postcard about her and her shop and things like that, so you can read more and obviously follow her online and on Instagram. And also got this October postcard. She has lots of very pretty postcards, so definitely obviously pen paling. And so this is my actual order, the things that I ordered. So I'm gonna open it up, and you can see I have this turtle sticker, because whenever I see anything turtle related, because I love turtles, I will always get it. So it's just a vinyl sticker. And then there's this postcard of library books, like this girl sort of using the library books. And I might like send them, but I often like to buy postcards because I use them to decorate. So you can see this is like desktop, top of a desk view, flat lay kind of thing, and Italy postcard. So again, sometimes I send them, but oftentimes I use them in decoration in journals. So I love getting postcards and any type of designs. And in terms of the packaging and all this stuff, I'm definitely going to save it. I have my like stationery TN insert that I basically sort of document all the things that I get, like Happy Mail, or even orders. Do people call like their orders Happy Mail? I guess so, right? But I save like the packaging, like the envelopes that she sends out. They're totally decorated with washi tape, stickers, all kinds of, and like all the stamps. So it's definitely something that you can keep or put in your journals. I just happen to have a standard size TN insert like for this particular purpose. So I'm going to try to like salvage the washi tapes, the stickers, like the seals, like if it was in a box or something like that, like I'm just going to try to save everything and stick it in here. And sometimes it's easy to like remove the things, and sometimes it's not. It sort of just depends. But I try to save as much as possible and just glue it, like collage it, glue it all into my stationery love TN insert. So that is what you see me doing here, and that sort of helps me to remember also like all the different shops that I've ordered from, and just sort of document like my love for stationery. I guess it's sort of meta that like oftentimes those of us who love stationery, we like journal about journaling or journal about stationery. Sort of funny. But it also gives me the opportunity to like use my supplies immediately. Like sometimes we love something so much we might not like we hoard it, right? Whereas especially for washi tapes and stuff, I can immediately just like stick it in and do swatches. And I know people do this in their regular journal. I just happen to do it all specifically in a particular this stationery insert. So I'm going to stick in like all the washi tapes that I got, the packaging part, and then I'm going to swatch them as well. So I got this beautiful coffee washi tape, and it just has like a whole bunch of illustrations, like very like watercolory kind of style, of all different types of coffee drinks. And I am actually preparing to do a like advent calendar of coffees for December. So I've been collecting like all kinds of coffee motif stationery supplies for a while now. Maybe I've gone a bit overboard, but yes, anything coffee, I have, purchased it for the purpose of using it in my December coffee advent calendar documentation. And this here is another washi tape that I believe is like, all things cozy. So again, I just love anything cozy. And as we head into like colder weather in this part of the world, this washi is definitely going to be great for all kinds of journaling and decor and collage. So I'm going to swatch this as well. And of course, I think that it's easier with washi tape to immediately use it because you have a whole roll, right? So you can immediately like swatch a bunch into your journal. It might be harder for like sticker sheets and things like that. I have a tendency to like hoard them because I don't want to use them. Because you have that one sticker sheet unless you bought more, but I'm definitely trying to be better about just using my supplies rather than hoarding them. It's funny to sometimes feel like, oh my gosh, I don't have that much stuff, and you always want more or want the new stuff, but then you look at your closet or box or wherever it is that you keep your supplies, and it's like, oh my gosh, I do have a fair amount, I'm just not using it. And I do fall into that trap sometimes. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments if you feel this way as well. Sometimes I'm waiting for like the perfect opportunity, right? Like the perfect situation, or like, no, this would be great for XYZ journaling, so that's why I'm saving it. But sometimes when you save something, you just forget about it rather than using it. So I don't know if that's a great idea. So I'm really, really trying to use the supplies that I have, and even when I buy something new, to use it immediately, like not to be like, oh, I'm just gonna hoard it. So here is another washi tape that I got, which is sort of like stamps of like farm life, and I can't remember what it is called. I should probably look into my journal right now, so that's the good thing about having the journal. It's called farm stamps. So if you search Penpaling_Paula, she's on Instagram, and penpalingpaula.com is her website, and you'll be able to find like all her products there. And I have a feeling that she is moving, if I'm correct, but still somewhere in Europe, so it'll definitely be accessible to me still. So here I'm going to swatch these farm stamps and add them into my stationery, journaling, and sort of decor. And I just realized that like for all the October goodies that she included, I'm not really huge on Halloween in terms of like journaling specific Halloween stuff besides like what my kids do. So I probably am going to use those because otherwise, again, I'm just going to keep hoarding things for no reason. And actually, the envelope that she sent all of this in, it has my address, so that's why I'm not showing it on camera right now. But I am saving it. I'm just going to rip off like the whole part that she has decorated, because basically around your address, she decorates it with all kinds of stickers, washi tape, and very pretty like mix of stamps, so that you get like that whole pen paling like snail mail kind of feel. And she also did some like stamping as well. So I'm gonna rip out that whole front part of the envelope and actually tip it into this journal. So that's how I keep also like ephemera bits. Like it's not always pasting it onto a spread or a page in this journal. Sometimes I just tip in pieces to add them in and sort of record the fact that I got that from her. And of course, whenever anyone decorates something so beautifully and sends it to you, like I have to include it in my journal. I'm not going to toss it. And the last washi tape you see that I have there is actually called Girl Power. And sometimes I'm confused. Like I feel like I've seen these illustrations, these girls, again, watercolory kind of style. I feel like I've seen them somewhere else, but maybe it's because another shop stocks her stuff as well, because she does do like wholesale orders, right? So there might be another shop, maybe I've seen them before, but I love all these illustrations of these girls. There's like multicultural, just all different girls illustrated, and you know, girl power sort of idea. And I just love having this washi tape, so I'm like swatching a whole bunch so that I could get all the different characters onto this page. And it's a bit of a mess, but just wanted to include as much as possible and fill up this page with all this beautiful stationery. So those are the washi tapes that I got. There are 4 rolls, so coffee, all things cozy, farm stamps, and girl power. And I definitely am going to go back and make another order when she restocks, because she did contact me and let me know that the notebooks washi that I wanted is actually going to be restocked later. So this particular washi tape is like super sticky. So that's why you can see that like the beginning of the tape, you can see that it was like sticking to itself a lot. And I feel like this does happen sometimes with certain washi tapes, and you sort of have to like loosen it up. And I don't know, it was only with that one, not all 4. So I don't know. It might just be the weather, the heat or the humidity or something like that. So I have to like unroll a bunch of it to get it to work. So that is my haul there. And if you didn't already know, my name is Linda. I blog at tortagialla.com. I basically share lots of free printables on my blog, no strings attached. They are just listed on blog posts and you can download, and they are free printables for your personal use. You can download them directly. Most of them are digital papers that you can download and use in your journaling and paper crafting, because I love designing repeat patterns. There's also stationery tidbits and sort of collage pages and vintage type of designs. So visit tortagialla.com if you are interested, and please do comment below if you have any feedback. I basically try to do a little unboxing for my stationery love on a monthly basis, but then I will be sharing journaling and that type of stuff as well. Thanks so much. Until next time.